Hey there, guys. It is Friday free draw time, and today you're going to do a simple drawing of an ice cream cone, and you're going to decorate it with sprinkles. Let's start with the ice cream scoop at the top. So you're going to just do a loop over and make sure that it's even on both sides. And then you're going to add some scoops to the bottom. They don't have to be even. And then what you'll do is you're going to draw the cone underneath. So start on one side, come down, stop, come back up. And you can actually add two eyes to this if you wish. And you can draw the pupils up into the corners. You can draw a little mouth. And then if you have a different color, you can add some sprinkles. These can be drawn with a crayon, colored pencil, or marker. Then you're going to go back with your black marker and color in the pupils. And then you can add some of those lines to your cone. To kind of crisscross. And there you have it. Have fun, guys.